Hey y'all, my name is David Turner. I'm Historic Columbia's Director of Advancement. We've just transferred over to Roller, our brand new ticketing software, and we love it. Now, many of you may have had trouble getting logged in or getting your account set up, and we're here to help. In this video, my friend Catherine is going to help you walk through each step of getting your account established. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us.
Hi everybody, Catherine here with Historic Columbia. I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily go on to create an account, sign in, and begin using your member benefits. First thing you may ask yourself is, how do I even access this new platform? If you go to Historic Columbia's homepage and click the Buy Tickets button on the top right corner, that will take you to the home screen. From here, you will want to click the person icon on the top right of the screen. If you're using this from a mobile device, on the bottom you will always see a row of icons, and there you will just click the person icon and it will take you to then sign in, or if it's your first time visiting, create an account. So click create an account if it's your first time, and be sure to enter the email address that Historic Columbia has on file associated with your membership. If you're not sure what that is, contact us. You'll then be emailed a verification code, and upon entering that, you'll be taken to the account page. From here, you may notice that a payment method can be stored. That will be stored for ticket purchases only. It does not capture a credit card if you are one of our annually recurring members. Now, let's make sure your membership is attached. Go and click My Tickets or the ticket icon on a mobile device, and you will see any purchases that you have so far. So if you've already signed in before, you may have some bookings for an upcoming tour or program. At the very least, you should have your membership. And when you click on that, you need to look and see if you have an active green box above your member level. Hopefully you do. If you don't and you happen to have a yellow suspended or declined payment box, that probably means you're one of our recurring members who needs to capture their credit card. So from there, you will want to look beneath the barcode, and if you're a recurring member, you will actually see two buttons. You'll want to click Manage Cancel, enter your card information, and then you'll see it reflected beneath. At that point, you should be switched to an active status and ready to go. So if you want to use your benefits, if you're on this screen, go ahead and click that Redeem button. I'll show you further in the video how you can do that from the checkout cart if you did not sign in first. If you want to purchase House Museum Tour tickets with your member discount, you're going to want to select adult and youth ticket types. Depending upon your level of membership, you will get a certain number of tickets for each museum free per day. So those will be for any adult and youth tickets you receive. Use those top two types, and then use the member guest ticket type to get your complimentary guest passes. You will notice once you get to the checkout screen that those should zero out. Now, if you want to go and look at events and programs, you can click back on the product screen. It'll take you to a full list. In this example, we're going to look at Concerts in the Garden. So you may notice there's only one ticket type for general admission. We no longer have a separate ticket type for our members. If you're not sure what sort of member discount you might get, you can either look at the event page on historiccolumbia.org or click Read More. That will give you some details on what sort of discount you get. And then you know, okay, I'll put these in my cart, and once I get to the checkout screen, I should receive $5 off per ticket. So in this example, it's showing $10 off for 2 Concerts in the Garden tickets. So now, how do you redeem from your card? If you're not logged in, notice your checkout screen looks a little different, and there's a place underneath where you can add your details, your first and last name and your email. Do not do this. This is like creating a new guest account for yourself, and it will not pull up your member discounts. Instead, you need to click Sign In and go ahead and sign into your existing account, and then you'll get a verification code. Make sure, especially if you're copying from email, you don't copy a leading space. And once you get back to the screen, a box should pop up, click Redeem Membership, and voila, you've got your discounts. Now, I know this was a very quick overview. We do have additional tools. You can check out that frequently asked questions page. It has a lot of great information, including some new PDFs we've created to help you through this process. Now, we don't want you to feel alone. We hope this video has helped, but you can always reach out to our advancement department if you have additional questions on this new platform.